stopped over at AJ's Tires. They're gonna go ahead and get the new wheels, tires mounted up. CP 21 wheels. These things look awesome. So we got some Toyo R888Rs, 335/30/18, and a 275/35/18 Nitto 555 at G2. That's 18 by 9.5, 18 by 11. All right, we got all four mounted up. They look awesome. I can't wait to see them on the car, lowered down. Huge shout out to AJ's Tires. They're over here in Orange City. They got some really nice tire machines. Not gonna scratch up your wheels. Number right there. And we'll get you set up. So we're gonna go put these on the car. And hopefully when the car's running, we can get some nice outside shots. Ready? Mm-hmm. All right guys, so we got the CP21 wheels on. They look awesome. Car's been sitting in the dusty shop. Let's go get it washed up, and I'm excited to see what it looks like cleaned up. Off a lot of that. Yeah, I think it's all done.
Well, there's one thing that you haven't checked off, but it's okay.
We'll never check that one off.
We didn't fix that one coolant line though. That metal line.
To be fixed.
I think they love silver.
Yeah, I think so.
That's close.
How much?
All
of it, right?
That looks so faded.
It is.
Is there a level on it somewhere?
Oh yeah. There's the foam cannon, bro. Huh? It's right there. It's right there.
You got your camera soaked.
Yeah, you might need to wipe that off. Fun part.
Let's hope we did this correctly.
I have it just about the middle.
Ready?
That's working.
It's too much so.
I just want to see what it does. Oh,
I was changing the amount of soap that it's spraying out.
yeah. Yep.
So how long could we put it on air ride?
You filming?
No.
Are you filming now?
I don't know. Am I filming? My hat just almost flew off.
That's a good quality hat you got there. Where'd you get that hat?
Where'd I get this hat?
Yeah. Make it float.
I got this hat from Derek Brand Productions.
EVP.
You'll see that in the next video. You know, this car looks okay and all. Put that over there. Sheesh. Oh, and Brad's car too. Sheesh.
All right, so we got the wheels on the OG car. OG car is looking awesome. Huge shout out to Circuit Performance Wheels. They gave me a really good deal on these, and they also gave us a coupon code. We'll go ahead and put it here. If you type that in, they'll actually give you hub rings, lug nuts, microfiber, a nice little install kit. So they hooked me up with that as well. The wheels look awesome. 18 by 9.5 front, 18 by 11 rear, 335 3018 rear tires, 275 3518 brand new front tires. Car looks killer. All right, so in the next videos, we're gonna be doing the custom side exhaust, the Magic Drift front splitter. We also have like a few more tweaks to do to the car, and I think it looks amazing. So make sure you hit the like button, do it right now, comment down below what you think of the car, and subscribe if you're new. We'll see you guys in the next one.